Quantum Qtum is a cross-breed blockchain application stage. It overcomes any barrier among Bitcoin and Ethereum by joining their best elements. Qtum utilizes the UTXO model of Bitcoin and the ERC20 token norm of Ethereum. This permits it to run shrewd agreements and decentralized applications dApps, while as yet handling high volumes of exchanges rapidly. The Qtum group is driven by Patrick Dai, a previous Alibaba leader, and Bruce Fenton, board head of the Bitcoin establishment. They've gathered a great group of guides, including Roger Ver, Anthony D'Iorio, Zustar, Misthos Ianu, Kevin Goffman, and Y. Benhuo. The Qtum project has gotten help from a few major names in the crypto space. In WARC 2017, they raised $1 million from Fenbushi Capital. In April 2017, they raised $4 million from Pioneer's asset angelist F. Angel. Furthermore, in September 2017, they brought $15 million up in an ICO. What makes Qtum one of a kind? The Qtum blockchain has two special advances that mean to tackle the four issues. Its pioneers seen as most dangerous in BTC and ETH blockchain stages: Record Deliberation Layer AL and Decentralized Administration Convention DGP. The Record Deliberation Layer AL takes into consideration more prominent interoperability between the Qtum blockchain and other blockchains and between savvy agreements and genuine applications. This is on the grounds that it really makes a span between various blockchains, considering more straightforward communication. Furthermore, AL makes it conceivable to interface brilliant agreements with true applications, which has been hard to do as of recently. The Decentralized Administration Convention DGP resolves the issue of administration in blockchain stages. Under DGP, explicit boundaries of the Qtum blockchain can be altered by anybody who holds Qtum tokens, including things like as far as possible or block size. Significantly, these progressions are made through casting a ballot, guaranteeing that all partners have something to do with how the stage is run. Furthermore, DGP assists with making the Qtum stage more adaptable, as changes can be made rapidly and effectively if necessary. Together, these two innovations make Qtum a new-to-the-scene choice for organizations and designers searching for a vigorous and financially savvy blockchain stage to fabricate their applications. In May 2017, Qtum was first recorded on trades and was esteemed at $4.65. Until November of that year, the resource exchanged the $10-13 territory. Qtum broke over the $13 hindrance level on December 13 and rose to $6.227 in January 2018. Qtum's ascent related with the organization's participation at Blockshow Asia in November. The Qtum coin was underestimated before this episode. Quantum is right now worth $4.24. Qtum has moved 203% as of now with an exchanging volume of $45.91984. Quantum is right now positioned 679 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $434 to $734,411. Using the overall strength file RSI, moving weighted normal MWA, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity MACD from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Quantum Qtum to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Quantum Qtum market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. Quantum Qtum Value Expectation 2023. Quantum, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. Qtum. The Qtum cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $6.36. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $5.94 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is possible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Qtum is supposed to have a base worth of $5.09. Quantum Qtum Value Expectation 2024. In 2024, Quantum Qtum cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Qtum will before long outperform $20.60. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the Qtum's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Qtum will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $8.48 and a typical exchanging cost of $9.33. Quantum Qtum Value Expectation 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, It could reach $14.84 and Qtum might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Qtum is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $13.57 and a low of $12.72 in 2025. Quantum Qtum Value Forecast 2026. Assuming Qtum effectively helps market feeling among digital currency lovers, the Qtum coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Qtum will be green in 2026. The Qtum is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $9.99, with a base cost of $16.96 and a typical cost of $17.81. Quantum Qtum Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Qtum cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $22.05 by 2027, with a base cost of $21.21 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Qtum has a most extreme value worth of $23.33. Quantum Qtum Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $26.30. In the event that Qtum figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $27.57. Neglecting to assemble the help Qtum needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $25.45. Quantum Qtum Value Forecast 2029. While Qtum is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $29.69 and a yearly cost close above $31.81 in 2029. Quantum Qtum Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Qtum will at last outperform its past AF values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $33.93 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $36.05, averaging out at $34.78. End. Qtum is a digital money that means to bring blockchain innovation to the business world. Its interesting cross-breed agreement model joins the best of both confirmation of stake and evidence of work, taking into consideration more prominent adaptability and versatility than either framework alone. Furthermore, Qtum uses shrewd agreements, making it a possible stage for applications going from monetary administrations to inventory network the board. In general, Qtum is a significant task with a great deal of possibilities. Its mixture agreement model gives it a benefit over other digital currencies, and its utilization of shrewd agreements makes it a flexible stage with various potential applications. On the off chance that it can satisfy its